Hi, my name is Fernando Perdomo. I am a record producer and singer-songwriter currently living in Los Angeles, and this might be the most important video I ever post. My job is in jeopardy because of AI, and I say that with some crazy emotions going right now because I'm equally offended as I am impressed. But AI music creation software has now reached its pinnacle, and I am honestly blown away by what I'm about to show you. So there is this program called Suno, and it's a program that a lot of people use to create AI music. And the usual way you do it is you type in the lyrics, and you put a prompt, and it creates a song. Well, it has a new feature. The new feature is hum a tune, tap out a beat, or sing a melody. Well, I'm going to now show you an abridged version of my song called California Moon, which is one of my fan favorite songs. And it was recorded, it was actually covered by Pat Sansone of Wilco and Autumn Defense, one of the most beautiful voices ever. But here's an abridged version of the song. I'm going to do a verse and chorus. Instead of dancing in the dark, let's go out tonight. The moon is shining bright. Let's go out tonight. California moon is shining, shining on you. California moon is shining, shining on you. Oh, shining on you. Press stop. Now I'm going to paste in the lyrics. And I'm just going to hit create. Let's count together. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 10 seconds. This is what it created in 10 seconds.
Instead of dancing in the dark, let's go out tonight.
I'm not faking this. This actually just happened.
Shining bright.
Fully produced.
Let's go out tonight. California moon.
It caught all the chord progressions. A minor, back to G.
Shining on you.
That's nice.
California moon.
Now let's do the B minor.
Shining on you.
There's the B minor.
Oh,
Now, are you ready for the death punch?
shining on
In that 10 seconds, oh, I love that. That was very Eagles. In that same 10 seconds, it created 2 versions. Version 2.
Instead of dancing in the dark, let's go out tonight.
Wow.
The moon is shining bright.
Why would anybody need a producer?
Let's go out tonight. California moon is shining, shining on
I'm
you.
going to let this one play out. I don't even know what's happening,
California moon
but this is
is
crazy.
shining, shining on you. Oh,
Do you see my eyes dying?
shining on you. Tonight we dance as one. After the sun is gone.
That's really clever.
On this beautiful night. After the sun is gone.
Oh my god. This is crazy.
shining on you. California moon is shining.
I'm equally impressed than I am, like, offended. And you know, I bet it's gonna do a guitar solo. It's gonna do a guitar solo. Wow. Suno, I don't know what you guys are doing, but this is amazing. So, put your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think. And if you like my song, you could download it on the internet. There's a bunch of versions of it. There's my old original version from 2014, which is on my new. Actually, there's an original version from 2014, then there's the version with Pat Sansone, and that's all available on my new release called 45's The Best. But yeah, AI has really come a long way, and that really blew my mind. I have to keep my hat on to keep my head from exploding. Fernando Perdomo signing out. Get to creating. Keep on writing songs, though. AI in the wrong hands is evil. AI in the right hands is actually kind of cool. I know my friend Jordan Rudis does it a lot, so what can I say? That's pretty amazing.